guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be filming a makeup tutorial and I'm gonna be using all drugstore products. Most of the products most of the products that I'm using most of the products that I'm using is gonna be the black Radiance products, makeup products.
Yeah, I spent $40. I didn't get like everything because I had like some drugstore products, eyeshadow, so I was just like, I'm just use those and I'm not about to waste my money. So I got this powder, I got the banana powder, and I got the setting powder. I got the foundation. I think this might be too light for my skin, I don't know, but if it is, I'll just darken it with my dark foundation. I got 2 lipsticks from Black Radiance. One in the color, well, it doesn't have a color, it just has numbers. 5042A. It's like this burgundy color. Burgundy. I don't even know how to say that word. Did I say it right? Burgundy. There we go. And this one, I don't know what color. It's more like a red, but like a darker red. I wouldn't know what to call it. And then that's the other one that I got. And then I got this blush in the color Toasted Almond. I think I already had this, but it's old. And it doesn't show anymore. And then I got the primer. I didn't have a primer for the longest, but I did not care. I was just doing my makeup like that anyways, because who needs primer? Not me. And then I got this eyeliner. Don't really wear eyeliner, but for the look I'm going for today, I'm gonna need it. It came with this little brush. It's too thick to use. That's the problem. Like, it's too thick. Like, don't it need to be like thin, like the bristles are like thick. But yeah, I got that. And then I got this lip liner from NYX. It's just like a dark brown. Just if I'm wearing this red, it will look kind of good. Or like I said, the look I'm going for today, I'm gonna need the dark.
We got new makeup. I remember this primer in high school. I've been using it in a long time. In the color Cocoa Bean. And I feel like it just might be a tiny bit too light. Huh? Yeah, but you can talk. Like, there'll be some parts where I cut off.
Danny on the track, boys.
Drugstore tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a hot mess. Like, all my videos are a mess. Basically everywhere. Because I don't know how to just sit for a long time and just do a video. Like, it's just, what is that? And everybody in my house is being loud extra today because I gotta film my video. So, but anywho, this is my drugstore. This is all drugstore products makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. I have another video to film, so if I don't see you in the next video, that is because I asked my Instagram, should I do a drugstore makeup or should I film a fun fact? And it said fun fact, but I still wanted to kind of do the drugstore makeup and just have this video instead, just in case. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Bye.
All of my girls them bad, we go kill somebody, yo. Yeah. Say the ginger go kill somebody, yo. If you want to touch my body, yo.